A vanilla Visa gift card functions similarly to a regular debit or credit card. But issues can arise when an invalid error message appears during a purchase. This unfortunate event is typically caused by one of several reasons. One common issue is incorrect card information. When making an online transaction, it is crucial to accurately enter the card details to avoid an invalid error message. To resolve this, recheck the card's account number, expiration date, and security code. Then re-enter the information and try again. Additionally, if the card was purchased from an illegitimate website, it can lead to flagged transactions and an invalid error message when attempting to use it. The same applies to stolen cards. To avoid such problems, it is essential to only purchase cards from legitimate sites. If you are experiencing issues with your vanilla Visa card, checking these potential causes can help resolve the problem.